Drop top time here at Unique, especially in classics. Nice looking 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 GT convertible. As you can see, kind of a light to medium blue in color. It's similar to an Arcadian blue or silver blue that they would have had back in '66. Underneath the hood, 390 V8, and this is an S code car. It is a true 500 GT also, which you can tell by the VIN. And S code 390. So we got 390 underneath the hood, power steering. And we'll pop the hood here in a little bit, start her up, let you check out the engine bay, listen to it run. Let's go ahead and check out the chrome and the headlight surrounds and the grille. GT logo, of course, up front. Just a tad bit of pitting on the top of that bumper, just a little bit. Other than that, chrome looks good. You can tell it's a newer paint. Paint shows well on it. It also has a newer blue vinyl top, and that is a power top. Functions fine. We're going to run that up here in just a bit, show you how that looks too. But if you want to check out the still pictures so you can take a look at everything from the underside to the engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Disc brakes up front has had some brake work done to it. Want to let you know about that. The rear has new drums, brake shoes, and wheel cylinders, FYI. That's some recent work that was done to it. And there was some other service work that was done that we'll kind of hit as we go around on here. First off, take a look down the passenger side of the car. You can see nice luster coming off that paint. Get a good look at that. Now, I mentioned it had power steering when I was up front. Some of the other service work that was done, it has had a power steering pump, cylinder, and control valve. They're all new in it. Slip around to the backs and check out the chrome bumper. Of course, your Fairlane GT badging back here also. Dual exhaust coming out of that 390. It has a nice little rumble to it. Like I said, we're going to start her up here in just a bit too. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look down the driver's side of the car here. Chrome in the rear bumper looks good. Paired up with that 390 is a 4-speed. So this is a bucket seat 4-speed car. A couple other things that were done to it maintenance-wise. Oil pan gasket was replaced, as well as the rear main seal. So those are all new in this, and also just recently done. Rear seat, free of rips, tears, holes. There's a little bit of wear up in the front here, as you can see there, and then one spot on the driver's side, FYI. Door panels. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Technicians did note that the gas gauge was in op. There's a few things in op on the dash. Is an oil pressure gauge. Aftermarket was in op. The fuel gauge and the wipers. I have not had the AM radio working either. FYI, as you can see here, I should say, sounds nice. Carpeting's good. Sure, we're in neutral. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Little rumble coming out of that 390. And again, paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. We'll run up the top here in just a second too so you can hear that, or see that I should say. And it is power top once again, works fine. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped and check out that engine bay. Look at this, nice tidy engine bay on this one. Little chrome valve cover and air cleaner cover dress up on it. Look at how smooth that is running. New alternator, as you can see. And again, power steering. to have the power steering pump, cylinder and control valve done. Great sounding engine, very smooth. All right, I'm going to button the hood up, turn it off a second, get that top up so you can check that out. So give me a second, let's check out that top and we'll wind up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the top up. First off, you can see how nice it fits along the windshield. Again, kind of that medium blue, matches the vinyl interior nicely. Free of rips, tears, holes. Tell it's newer. Rear glass window. That is clear, see-through, great. Again, I don't think the top's that old. Does not show much for age at all. And once again, you can see how good it fits from this side also. So there you have it. And once again, power. As a power top, functions as it should, goes up and down properly. There you go, 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 GT convertible. Some recent service work done to it, ready to go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.